Le CAP, this is the Certificat d'aptitude professionnelle, a 2-year certificate route within the lycée professionnel. Alors, allons sur le site de l'éducation, du gouvernement, sur l'éducation, le certificat d'aptitude professionnelle, le CAP. Le certificat d'aptitude professionnelle, CAP, donne une qualification d'ouvrier ou d'employé qualifié dans un métier déterminé. Il existe environ 200 spécialités de CAP dans les secteurs industriels, commerciaux et des services. Donc là, the Certificate of Vocational Aptitude, Ability, gives a qualification, what type of qualification for a worker or an employee qualified in a particular job. There are about 200 specialities of CAP in these sectors, in the industrial, commercial and service sectors. Alors là, on peut cliquer, vous voir le certificat d'aptitude professionnelle. And here you've got more details. Okay, those are for the 2020 session. Those are the dates of the tests. That's how you prepare it en 2 ans après la classe de 3e. And you could do it by continuous professional development as well. And this is what you can do afterwards. Okay. And I think we've already looked at this, a different one that you can see the specialities which are offered on EduSchool. There tells you lots of information about it there. Voilà. Oh là là, regardez. Plein de métiers, loads of different crafts, jobs and specialities you can do there. Well, that would be great for doing more learning of French. So, récapitulons, le certificat d'aptitude professionnelle, le CAP se prépare. Literally prepares itself, is prepared. French don't really like passive, they tend to make things into reflexive. Se prépare en 2 ans, in 2 years, après la 3e. Il donne accès à un métier précis en tant qu'ouvrier ou employé qualifié et a pour principal objectif une entrée directe dans la vie professionnelle. The main thing is to get you something so you can go straight into the workplace. Il existe environ 200 spécialités de CAP. On peut passer, remember passer is to take, on peut passer le CAP et s'insérer directement dans la vie active, comme cuisinier par exemple. So that's how, if you wanted to go in to do catering, you could go straight in with that certificate. Now let's go on to le baccalauréat professionnel, the professional baccalaureate route. Voilà. Le baccalauréat professionnel se prépare en 3 ans, so it can be prepared in 3 years. Après la 3e, after the 3e year, et rassemble près de 100 spécialités. So there you've got 100 different specialities. Les élèves peuvent y suivre des enseignements généraux et professionnels à travers des travaux pratiques. So they can be doing general and professional subjects, but with the emphasis on practical work there. Donc voyons sur le site. Okay. Encore une fois, voilà les dates pour les épreuves, comment préparer l'examen, etc. Donc, le baccalauréat professionnel se prépare en 3 ans, après la 3e. Il atteste l'aptitude à exercer une activité professionnelle hautement qualifiée dans l'une de ses 75 spécialités. So, it's really, you're highly qualified in this profession if you do this. Les lycéens suivent, so the students follow une seconde, une première et terminale professionnelle. So you go through the 3, they're called as with the lycée général et technologique, seconde, première et terminale. And then, si l'insertion professionnelle reste l'objectif prioritaire des élèves de baccalauréat professionnel, la poursuite d'études en BTS tend à se développer. So you can go on into higher education with that. So just going into more detail about if you went for the professional baccalaureate, the vocational one, there you've got the seconde, première et terminale. What would you do in seconde? In seconde, just as with the others, you'd have your test to see what you're like in French and in maths. But the seconde, everybody would be doing things in famille de métier. So you would look at families of jobs rather than going straight into something which is a particular speciality. You'd get that idea so that you get the basic professional skills in a particular sector. Une famille de métiers peut regrouper entre 2 et 10 spécialités de baccalauréat. So that might group together 2 or 10 specialities. Okay. Puis les classes de première et de terminale professionnelle. What would you do in your lower 6 and upper 6? That's where you're preparing for your brevet d'études professionnelles. And this is something which it's not compulsory, you don't have to do it, it's an intermediate diploma now towards the baccalauréat, but you still can do it if you want to. It's une étape, it's just a stage dans le cursus du baccalauréat professionnel en 3 ans in the curriculum going through the baccalaureate of 3 years. So it's integrated, but it's not, ce n'est pas obligatoire. Elle permet aux élèves de savoir quelles compétences professionnelles ils ont déjà acquises. So it allows students to know which professional skills they've already acquired. Okay. Donc, le brevet d'études professionnelles a été rénové. So it's actually been renovated, it's been renewed, integrated, it's taken through the course, during the course, and it's not obligatory. And l'examen du baccalauréat professionnel, the exam, is un diplôme national. It's a national diploma, and you can go right into a job with it. Il permet l'insertion professionnelle des candidats reçus. Il comporte 7 épreuves obligatoires, so there are 7 compulsory tests. Les candidats peuvent aussi choisir de passer jusqu'à 2 épreuves facultatives, so you could choose to do 2 more optional ones from the choice, langue vivante, EPS et mobilité. And you do have that opportunity to do une épreuve de rattrapage. You can, just as with the other baccalaureate, if you don't quite get there, you're allowed to do a catch-up.